Plate tectonics is one of the most fascinating processes shaping our planet. Imagine the Earth as a giant puzzle, but instead of being made of cardboard, these pieces are massive slabs of rock called tectonic plates. These plates float on the semi-fluid layer of the mantle beneath them, and their movement is driven by forces deep within the Earth. There are 7 major tectonic plates, including the North American plate, the Eurasian plate, and the Pacific plate, among others. These plates are constantly on the move, albeit very slowly, typically just a few centimeters a year. To put that in perspective, that's about the same speed your fingernails grow. But over millions of years, these tiny movements can lead to monumental changes on the surface. Now, let's talk about what happens when these plates interact. There are 3 main types of plate boundaries: convergent, divergent, and transform. At convergent boundaries, plates push against each other. This can lead to one plate being forced beneath another in a process called subduction, which often creates deep ocean trenches and can trigger powerful earthquakes. The collision of plates can also form mountain ranges, like the Himalayas, which were created when the Indian plate collided with the Eurasian plate. On the other hand, at divergent boundaries, plates move apart from each other. This is where new crust is formed as magma rises to the surface, creating features like mid-ocean ridges. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a prime example, where the Eurasian and North American plates are pulling apart, allowing magma to seep up and create new ocean floor. Then we have transform boundaries, where plates slide past one another. This lateral movement can cause friction and stress to build up until it's released in the form of an earthquake. The San Andreas Fault in California is a famous example of a transform boundary, where the Pacific plate and the North American plate grind against each other. The movement of tectonic plates not only shapes the landscape, but also has a profound impact on life. Volcanic eruptions, which often occur at convergent and divergent boundaries, can create new landforms and even new ecosystems. However, they can also pose significant risks to nearby populations. Earthquakes, resulting from the sudden release of energy along fault lines, can lead to devastating consequences, reminding us of the dynamic nature of our planet. Understanding plate tectonics is crucial for predicting geological events and mitigating their impacts. Scientists use various tools, including GPS and seismographs, to monitor plate movements and assess earthquake risks. This knowledge helps communities prepare for potential disasters, making it an essential part of modern geology. In essence, plate tectonics is a powerful force that shapes our world, influencing everything from the formation of mountains to the occurrence of natural disasters. It's a reminder that our planet is alive, constantly changing, and full of surprises. So, the next time you feel a tremor or gaze at a mountain range, remember that beneath your feet, the Earth is in motion, crafting the landscape we see today.